Are you considering building a website for your med spa? Let's break it down. A basic template-based website using a platform like Squarespace or Wix might cost around $500 to $2,000. This usually covers essential features like hosting, domain, and design templates. However, this option often lacks customization and scalability. On the other hand, a custom design website can range from maybe $3,000 to $10,000 or more. This price covers personalized design, advanced functionality, and an optimized user experience, which are really key elements for attracting and retaining clients. So why consider a custom site? Well, first off, it's tailored to your brand. So it integrates essential marketing tools and is built to scale as your business grows. Plus, custom websites are more effective at converting visitors into clients in general. Maintenance is another important cost. So you want to probably add around $500 to $2,000 annually for updates, security, and website support, ensuring your website stays up to date and secure. So really investing in a quality website isn't just about having an online presence. It's about creating a powerful tool that drives your med spa's growth.